Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Pinterest not showing new pins or trends. First of all, restart the Pinterest app by swiping it away from the bottom of your screen and then swipe it away. Next, you are going to change your region inside the Pinterest settings and then log out and log back in by going to your profile. Click on the three dots on the top right, go to settings, scroll down and click on log out. After that, log back in. It will refresh your feed and show new trending pins. Then safety tip, do not click suspicious trending links. Quick fix, switch to cellular data for a fresh feed load, and that's it. Subscribe for more.